Welcome to the TF75 and TF95 vacuum sweeper operating training video. We'll base this video on the TF95 sweeper because the process is similar for both versions. This training will be split up into three sections. Firstly, familiarisation. What happens where on the machine? Secondly, operation. How to use the machine. And lastly, maintenance. How to look after your machine. Familiarisation. What happens where? Side brushes at the front of the machine move debris away from curbs and pallet edges into the main sweep path of the machine. Debris is then swept up into the hopper by the two contra-rotating centre brooms, the first one moving forward and the second one rotating backward to grab up debris from the floor. Once the debris is safely contained, the vacuum pulls the air through an M-class or HEPA filter to ensure dust is contained and only clean air is exhausted. Operation. How to use the machine. On the dashboard, we have the functions required to operate the machine: the on-off switch, centre broom switch, and the side brushes switch. Start by turning the machine on, and the vacuum automatically starts to ensure dust control is maintained. Then turn on the centre brooms and you can begin sweeping. When sweeping up to curbs, walls or pallet edges, lower the side brushes using the foot pedal on each brush and turn them on the control panel. Avoid having the side brushes on when sweeping open areas with large amounts of dust, as they have limited dust control. When you finish sweeping, turn off the sweeping functions and the machine on the control panel and lift the side brushes. Before emptying the hopper, you should shake the filter by moving the yellow handle back and forth for around 20 to 30 seconds. As a general rule, every 20 minutes of continuous sweeping, you should shake the filter for 20 seconds. This will help to maximise the machine's dust control. To empty the hopper, ensure the machine is off, lift the control panel section until it clicks into place, and remove the hopper by pulling back on the handle. This is slightly different on the TF75. Whilst pulling out the hopper, you'll need to press down on the hopper latch with your foot. After you're emptying the hopper, place it back into the machine and continue sweeping. When you finish sweeping, empty the hopper, open the machine hood and take out the battery charger. Unplug the red connectors that you can see on the machine. Plug the red connector from the charger into the red connector that is loose on the machine, not the plug that is fixed to the machine. Ensure the charger is plugged into the main socket before you turn it on. Maintenance. How to look after your machine. The machine is powered by maintenance-free deep cycle batteries. To ensure maximum lifespan, run the machine battery all the way down before recharging, as opportune charging can reduce the battery's performance. Don't sweep up banding, strapping, wire or other objects longer or larger than 10 centimeters. Ensure there is nothing wrapped around the side brushes or centre brooms, as this can affect the machine's sweeping performance and can lead to breakdowns. To replace the side brushes, remove the wing nut and washer that holds the brush onto the machine and slide the brush off. To replace the side brush, reverse this process. To check or replace the centre brooms, loosen the handle and fold that up. Tilt the machine onto its back. You should now be able to see the centre brooms clearly. Ensure the centre brooms are fitted as shown. Take out the 6 screws that hold the centre brooms together. You may need to turn each centre broom round to find these. Once you've taken out the screws, the centre brooms come apart into 2 pieces, which you can then take off the machine. The centre broom height can be adjusted by moving the broom lever underneath the machine hood. To replace the filter, lift the control panel section up until it clicks and undo the filter catches. ensure you replace the filter the correct way round. Ensure the machine is stored with the side brushes raised to maximise their useful life. The switches and fuses on the machine are there to protect the motors. If a function isn't working, you can check the relevant switch or fuse is connected here. You have now completed the operator training for the TF95 and the TF75 vacuum sweepers. For any further queries, please get in touch with our team.